Good morning, dear students. Here today we are going to discuss a very important and a new topic in this chapter, that's national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. National park is an area placed under public control, the boundaries of which shall not be altered except by competent legislative authority. There are 94 national parks. All kinds of organisms are given legal protection in national parks. Human activities such as hunting, grazing, cultivation, harvesting of forest products strictly forbidden. History of national park in India begins in 1936 when the Haley National Park of United Provinces was created. In India, the state government can constitute a national park in its state legislature, preferably subject to certain standards. Here's this sanctuary. Sanctuary is an area where killing, hunting, shooting or capturing of any species of birds or animal is prohibited except by or under the control of highest authority in the department responsible for the management of the sanctuary and whose boundaries and character should be sacrosanct for as possible. Five or two wildlife sanctuaries are there in India. Among them, many are tiger reservoirs. Legalized protection is offered only for animals. Human activities are permitted up to a limit. Some are specially named as a bird sanctuary before attaining national park status. That's a Kaliyodia National Park in next importance of a national park and sanctuaries. Major attractions of tourists all over the world. Human to around 2000 different species of birds, 3500 species of mammals, nearly 30,000 kinds of insects are more than 15,000 various of plants are there. Home to several endangered species of animals and birds like Asiatic elephant, Royal Bengal tiger, snow leopard, Siberian crane, etc. These are present in a national park and sanctuaries. At place for ornithologists, wildlife photographers, researchers, simply animal and plant lovers can visit here. Next here some of the national park are mentioned here and sanctuaries. First one, Jim Corbett National Park. Oldest national park established in 1936. Located at Uttaranchal, the pride of India, great tiger can be spotted here. Adolf for Indian pangolin, common musk shrew, wild boar, sambar, flying fox, etc. are seen here. Next, Kaziranga National Park. Located in Assam, it is the highest density of Royal Bengal tigers in the world. It is important point here. Here in Kaziranga National Park you find Royal Bengal tigers in a more number. Also host 2/3 of world's great one-armed rhinoceros, India elephant, wild water buffalo and swamp deer. So next, Sundarbans National Park, located in West Bengal, largest reserve, home for Royal Bengal tiger, habit of many toxic reptiles in India. Next, Kanha National Park, located in Madhya Pradesh. It is a tiger reserve park. It has a significant population of Royal Bengal tiger, leopard, and Indian wild dog here. Next, Giri Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Gujarat. Single home for pure Asiatic lion or Indian lion. Famous for species like sloth bears, hedgehog, jungle cats, striped hyenas, and porcupine, etc. So these are some living examples which are present in Giri Wildlife Sanctuary. Next, Periyar National Park, located in mountains area of Cardamom Hills in Kerala. One of the 30 tiger reservoir in India. Around 70% of area is well covered with evergreen forest. Giant king cobra, the biggest snake in India seen here, cobra. The large number of Indian elephant and birds like darters, kingfisher, Malabar hornbills are also be tourist attraction in Kerala. Right. Next come Ratan Ranthambore Wildlife Sanctuary here. Ranked as one of the largest and most reputed park in India. Ranthambore Fort situated inside the park, hence the name Ranthambore. Major wild animals are lion, wild boar, sambar, deer, etc. are present here. Next, Hemis National Park, located in Ladakh, that's a Jammu and Kashmir, largest national park in India. Important point, that is largest national park in India. Home for a number of endangered mammals including India snow leopard. The big flying predators like golden eagle, vulture, Tibetan wolf, and a Eurasian brown bear, red fox also present here. So these are some few national park and sanctuaries which are there in India. Right. So I think you all understood this session. Thank you.